A healthy lifestyle is not as complicated as people portray it to be, and in fact, transitioning into a healthy diet is not so hard. If you have made a decision to change your diet, or it's your 20th time to make that decision and you have actually tried and failed, it's okay. Or probably you're just passing by and you want to know something about health, this is the video for you. Welcome to Intentional Living. Today I take you through 4 simple steps to adapting to a healthy lifestyle that is going to keep the doctor away, or that is going to help you ease into those recommendations that the doctor has given you in order to live longer and, in a much more comfortable manner. The first thing you need to do is start small. One by one makes a bundle. You can't wake up and say, today I am going to switch completely. Yes, you will do it that day, but you may not have the energy to continuously do it. You may not have the energy to develop a consistency because it's something that you're transitioning into. You need to transition in a way that your body adapts, your lifestyle adapts to with ease. That's why I'm emphasizing starting small. How can you start small? You can start by adding some healthy options into your meals and subtracting a little but not completely wiping it away. For instance, if you're someone who likes to have fries consistently, every day, it's okay, but this time round you can decide to add some vegetables as you continue having those fries. With time, you can reduce the amount of fries that you have and add more vegetables. This way you'll find yourself you will not actually feel the effect of that change, but you'll easily adapt into that change and you find it so easy. Secondly, you have to make changes that are within your lifestyle. Yes, everyone has a routine, everyone has a way of doing certain things. Some of you say, I'm not a breakfast person. Others say, I don't like this whole thing of eating maybe after 3 hours or having big chunks of food in the morning because you need to have breakfast like a king. Yes, I totally agree with you. If you make changes that are not in sync with your lifestyle, you'll find that the whole thing of a healthy lifestyle, a healthy diet, is going to become a burden. And who wants to carry burdens in 2021? Not me, probably you, but I don't think you do. So one of the things that you can do is come up with changes that are actually going to fit into your lifestyle. If you're someone who likes to snack, you can decide to take on healthy snack options. If you like purchasing already processed snacks, you can decide, okay, this time around I'm going to snack on an apple, or I'll snack on a pear, or I'll snack on a banana. Now you're not changing the habit of snacking, but you're only switching from processed snacks to healthy snacks. I think that works for you. If you're someone who says, oh my god, things to do with health, I'm going to start eating boring foods, and personally I like fried stuff. Yes, what you can do is change the oil that you use in your kitchen. If you have the vegetable oil or some other oil that is extremely unhealthy for you, you can decide, okay, this time around I'm going to buy olive oil. If you can't access olive oil, you can use sesame oil, you can use granite oil. There's so many oils out there that are actually healthy. So there you are incorporating something healthy into something that you actually like. If you're someone who likes to dance, and one of the routines that you want to do is maybe lose some weight, which is healthy, you can go for Zumba or aerobics, something that is in line with dancing, because that's what you like. So you find you're cutting down on the weight and developing a healthy body, but at the same time doing what you like. And thirdly, you need to work on one change at a time. Yes, you can't say, I'm going to stop sugar, I'm going to stop salt, I'm going to stop. There's so many things that you're going to stop. That change is going to be overwhelming. Remember that change has to be gradual, small steps. So you can say, this month I am going to cut down on sugar. and you track yourself. And when the month is done, you know, yay, I'm done with sugar. What else can I cut down on as I continue with the sugar? I mean, with a small amount of sugar that I have been able to consistently ease into. Maybe I will cut down on the fries. So you're building one small thing onto another. Don't overnight just say, you know what, no sugar, no salt, no everything, no. You feel like you're in a jungle or some unfamiliar ground, and trust me, you will collapse. And probably that's the reason as to why some of us are trying this for the 100th time and it has not worked. Rethink your strategy, rethink how you're going to do this, and trust me, you can achieve it. I cannot end this without reminding you that it's important to reward yourself. Yes, it's very important to reward yourself. At the end of the day, after making a change or adapting to something small that is healthy or big, you need to, I mean, that's a big win for you. People may not understand it, or the weighing scale may not understand it. It's okay if you have weighed yourself and still you still have the same pounds, but you yourself know what it takes for you to keep off sugar, what it takes for you to eat those vegetables every day, or to snack on fruits as opposed to that, you know, that processed snack that you actually crave for. So you give yourself a treat, but that treat does not mean that you dive back into a very unhealthy habit. You can go for a movie, you can have a long conversation with a friend that you like and express yourself. It's just something that makes you feel good, that reminds you that, and that is more like tapping you on the back and saying, well done. Well, that's what I had for you today. In case you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and send me feedback. I love hearing from you. Bye.